Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I want to talk to you guys about what's happening in Galkayo, which is a city in central Somalia. Two tribes have been fighting over a street. And this is not just an isolated incident. This tribal war or civil war has been going on for 25 years. This tribalism or Qabil is a name. It's not supposed to be used for war. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said, if two Muslims kill each other, both of those Muslims are going to Jahannam immediately. It's signed. Boom. Done. If you kill another Muslim, you're done. You're going to hell. So, we should take this into account, number one. Number two, it's just wrong to kill people over something so limited and so demeaning as Qabil. Just saying you're not from my family, so I'm just going to kill you. I'm just going to kill you because this and this happened. And because of Qabil, Somalia has been in a war for over 2 decades. Almost a quarter of a century. Because it's been going on for 25 years. So quarter of a century. And a century is 100 years. So almost 100 years. This is a really bad situation, not for just the economy, which is super low and terrible, because you need like 1,000,000 shilling to buy one banana. And then because of that 1,000,000 shilling to buy one banana, you have to buy like 1,000 bags of money to bring to the. It's just crazy. And it used to be a great economy, #1 economy in Africa, number 3 army in Africa, almost the greatest nation in Africa at the time. Mohamed Saad Barre, our former president, he brought the country together. We became one. We became all for one and one for all. Because he eliminated Qabil, and the whole country became great because we were focused on getting a sovereign land and becoming our own country and having our own voting and having our own rights as people. When we gained our independence from Britain and Italia, we immediately boosted up our army. We immediately became one of the greatest countries in Africa at the time. Now, we are one of the lowest economies, the worst place to live in. The mothers are childless. Because what tahriban, Europe erawan ina imadan, North America ina imadan erawan. Lakin ilmihi oo Mareykanka Europe ku dhaladay yakana Kenya aadooyaan hashish balaya sameeyaan yaka isdiroyba because of gang. Gang is just another word for Qabil. So I would advise all Somalis to stop. Hala noqono diriskana oo Ethiopia iyo Kenya yakana waxaanoo dhan they're taking advantage of it. Kenya biyahana qaadanaysa, Ethiopia ukana qaadanaysa. Dadkana ma ujeedaanba iyakas dilooyaanba. Ethiopia iyo Kenya waa ka alaabteena qaadanaysa. Anakana maxay bustooladaas ku haysanaaba waa isdiloonaa. ilaa waxaa ka baryaa inuu Soomaali siday ahayd u celiyo. Oh, glory days for you. Because I think that's possible. Had that hell no a new parliament and a new president. Because this parliament, we need to change it. And all these faction governments that are claiming sovereignty need to be. We need to adjust this problem and become one. By changing the whole parliament to be non-Qabil and the president to be 100% non-Qabil. Because if that happens, just like in America, it could be one of the greatest countries. Because almost all countries have no qabil. In America, the only people that have qabil are the Native Americans or Native Indians. And they're starting to forget about qabil because it's almost non-existent anymore. Like if you look at the American Civil War, it lasted 12 years. And they said that was long. They expected it to be 2-3 years. Somalia, almost a quarter of a century. You know why? The U.S., it tried to keep the country together by creating the Missouri Compromise line, which made it half free, half slave. And then when the North won, it became all free. Because of a simple handshake and deal saying that they were one country again. Why don't they do that to Somalia? Why don't you just stop this, shake hands, write a treaty, and you're done? We were one country again. It's simple. Find a common ground. I have almost 10 common grounds for you. We're Somali. We speak Somali. We're Muslims. We're the same color. We're the same people. We come from the same land. There are tons and tons of common ground. But we don't take advantage of that. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.